Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure long-term contracts with PeoplePerHour. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a standout profile on PeoplePerHour. Use a professional photo that reflects your industry. Write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to detail your services clearly and concisely. Set competitive rates that reflect your expertise and the market. Next, take time to explore the platform's project listings. Identify potential clients who require your specific skills. Engage with potential clients by sending personalized proposals. Tailor each proposal to address the client's unique needs and project goals. Showcase relevant samples of your previous work within your proposals. After submitting proposals, follow up with clients to express your interest. Provide a clear timeline for project completion in your communications. Maintain open and professional communication throughout the process. Once a contract is secured, clarify all project details with the client. Establish milestones and deadlines to ensure accountability. After the initial project, ask the client for feedback on your work. Discuss the possibility of future projects or ongoing contracts. Send a formal proposal for long-term collaboration to the client. Highlight the benefits of a long-term partnership in your proposal. Ensure your pricing reflects the value of ongoing work. Utilize testimonials and success stories from past clients in your discussions. Be adaptable and open to client feedback during the contract. After completing the project, follow up with clients to maintain the relationship. Keep them informed about your availability for future work. Regularly update your profile with new skills and achievements. Participate in community interactions on the platform for increased visibility. Stay persistent and patient as building long-term contracts takes time. Always be professional and deliver high-quality work to earn repeat business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.